Right, so this is January the 21st, I'm in Syros. We'll try to dismantle items that need maintenance and take them to Paros with me so I can make the maintenance my own workplace, workhouse, as to avoid being here, which is some sort of trouble. Let's see what we will do. Right, here we are in Paros, in my garage that has been somehow prepared to be a workshop. Whatever I could remove from the yacht in Syros, it is now here after one long intensive day that costed a really strong cramp in the night. Now I'm here and I'm planning under controlled environmental conditions to make a proper maintenance in all that lovely varnish wood and restore it, and then it will be moved back to the yacht. So I don't have to be in Syros all that time, which is something that I don't like. I want to be here and also have the control conditions to make it properly. Let's see what will I manage to achieve. Hello, so we are in the middle of February and it has been some time since the recordings were commenced. I'm here in my garage, which has been converted to a workplace, and I'm working hard with my woodwork, trying to bring them in shape and make a very good maintenance that will last for many years. A part of the steering wheel, the rudder, and the cover of the engine, which will be both done nicely in varnish. All the rest will be done and it has already commenced to be treated with thick oil to avoid extra work in future. I have Epiphanes thick oil and I'm working with them. I expect 5, 6, 7 layers at least of thick oil in the steps that are leading up to the mast. The rest will be varnished with many more of varnish, so let's see how that will look. It will take time and effort, but I think it's worth it. Right, so we are back in Syros in March 2023. Today is the 18th. The yacht has been here since November. I have started coming back and forth since January. I haven't spent that many of days here in Syros because it's not that convenient. Have tried to remove some parts in Paros in my workshop and repair them there and then return. We are doing quite well, still awaiting some technicians to execute some specialty jobs, and then the plan is by the end of month to bring her back in the water, take her down to Piso Livadi Paros and continue the varnishing and the like there, so I don't have to be here all the time. Supposedly now we're in good states. I try to make some housekeeping. In general, sometimes I wonder why I'm doing that, and I'm talking about the YouTube channel. There is not any intention to become famous or viral or whatever, and I don't know if it has a meaning to share all the adventures and things that are happening here. It's just that I like videography, and I think it's up to there. So the plan is to continue with the maintenance. I have sanded the hull to prepare to continue and apply the anti-fouling paint. I have the primer here, and we'll do that alike. Have that very special Spanish paint to paint the fender line around, and I'm waiting for the technicians, carpenters to continue. Electrician had an issue with the charger, and they see the AC engineer has installed a new drain and some advances and upgrades in the freezer and some pumps here. All in all, trying to keep the yin yang better and better, and this is happening. And then hoist my sails and go down to Paros and hopefully be able to sail with her again alone before the season starts. So I have just added some packing, some scratches, and will now start to make the final sanding, prime those patches, and then proceed later on with the anti-fouling treatment to be ready for sea. Here we have to do a repair in the top of the railing on the gun well. It has been damaged in the past and has been temporarily repaired since I bought the boat, but now it's time to fix it. So the carpenter has already taken away the old one. He's going to make a new one, but I'll have to remove this railing that holds it all together in one piece, so he can tomorrow remove the upper parts and prepare the other one underneath, so we make a proper repair and ensure that we will insulate it properly. This is what I'm gonna do right now. Morning. We will today take care of the upper hull, make some gel coat repairs, add some putty in the scratches, and we'll start with fining the scratches and preparing them for cleaning and gel coat and the like. Finally, off we go. Goodbye, Syros.